What's up, everybody? My name is Vince. Welcome to the channel, and in this video we're going to tackle a problem that I have and you probably have. The reality is that I kind of polled the very cool gang on how to solve the problem. They came up with a solution. I gotta tell you, I was like, why not think of that? You're gonna be thinking to yourself, why didn't you think of that? And what's the problem? That's the problem. We're going to take care of it right after this message from our sponsor, VCG Construction. Head on over to our merch store. You can get tech shirts, t-shirts, hats, stickers. The link will be down in the description below. Some of our favorite recip saw blades, okay? They come with sometimes a nifty little promotional case. Pretty cool. Sometimes the cases only hold a few blades, and sometimes it doesn't come with a case at all. Companies like Bosch, they make a very, 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 very awesome blade. But some of our favorites, through testing, okay, Nick loves these. Especially Nick loves these, are by Skillsaw. Skillsaw has some really awesome recip saw blades. Now, here's the problem. They come in this plastic case. You know, you use one, and you got this plastic case, like this plastic package, clamshell. They're falling all over, then they end up, what happens is they end up in your box. It's a mess. You stick your hand in there, they're all over the place. You cut yourself. So, there's an option. Here's an option. You could get something like these bags from Milwaukee, okay? And I keep things like miscellaneous drill bits, driver bits. Yes, these were the Walt number 2s inside this Milwaukee bag. This bag has oscillating tool blades. And finally, this bag has grinding wheels, okay? Grinding wheels. We got cutoff wheels, grinding wheels. I try not to, and there's a couple in here, I try not to keep recip saw blades in these bags because what happens is they end up poking through the bag. You know, inside your box, your bag, and they move around, and the next thing you know, they've cut a hole in your bag. So I needed a tougher solution for my recip saw blades, okay? And quite frankly, like, we have a couple different kinds here from Skillsaw. We have some Diablo. Yo, you know what Diablo means? Okay? This is a mess. It's a wreck. It's a hosh-posh. How do you keep all of this organized, neat and orderly, okay, without having to worry about ripping through bags with the pointy edges? Look at these DeWalts, how pointy they are. I got a cheap and inexpensive solution for you. You're going to be like, hallelujah. I know all of you, or a lot of you, or maybe none of you, I don't know, but somewhere on a job site, somewhere where you're perusing, there's got to be scrap PVC, whether it's your job site, somebody else. I'm not telling you to go and rob building materials off of other people's job sites, but for instance, if you're on the job with the plumber and they have maybe some very short scrap pieces that they're just going to toss. They might toss them. PVC is inexpensive. Worst case scenario, you have to buy some to organize yourself. If we have a lesser amount of blades of a single style, what we'll do is we'll use something smaller, like 1.5 inches. If you have a lot of one style blade, maybe you use 2 inch. All you're going to do is you're going to buy some caps and you're going to build nice solid PVC containers. Okay, if you had like a nice portable motor saw, it'll make it really fast, easy. Okay, if you didn't, you can use a hacksaw. You could use your Sawzall. You're going to see what size blade you want to keep in here. I want to keep 9 inches in here. So all we're going to do is we're going to take our blades, we're going to put them up to the pipe. We'll make a little mark with a Sharpie. We'll make our cut. We'll pop on our cap. I don't feel that it's necessary to glue it on. I will say this, if you wanted to take some cleaner, PVC cleaner, to get the lettering off of here, you know, it's not a horrible idea. This way you don't have all this other lettering when you write on, because that's what we're going to do, write on what blades are in here. We'll put them all in the same direction, okay? You'll see there's a little bit of space in there. We could have made this a little tighter if we wanted. And then all we're going to do is we're going to throw our cap on there. That's it. When you need it, boom. That's it. Skill saw metal, 8 to 10 TPI. I know what you're thinking. Well, why don't you write the size, you know? The reality is that we know the size. These are also 8 to 10 TPI. Now, Vince, how are you going to tell them apart, the 6 and the 9? That's how we're going to tell them apart. 6-inch, 9-inch. And if you like simple solutions to what could become a complicated problem, then smash the like button. Also, if this is your first time here, you're not already. Get subscribed and tap the bell because we do helpful videos like this one all the time. We have the coolest community. They're always sharing ideas with us. We're sharing ideas with them. It's just a great place to be. Get involved. Tap the bell. Join the very cool gang. With that, I want to say I appreciate each and every one of you being here. Let us know down in the comment section below. What do you think of our idea for storing your recip saw blades? Thanks a lot, everybody. We'll see you all on the next one.
Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy. And you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, and maybe over here. See you later.